Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write best essay on my best friend. First line, my best friend is Rusha. Next line, she is very kind and caring. Next line, we have a strong bond. Next line, she is a clever and honest girl. Next line, we enjoy playing together. Next line, she lives near my house. Next line, she is good in studies. Next line, she always help me. Next line, I am proud of my friend. Next line, I love her very much. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more latest videos.